guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to Miss Meryl's YouTube channel. So, yun guys, we are here in Marina North Coast. So, I'm here. I'm already changed for mayo. I'm already changed mayo. Ayan guys. Ayan, yung suot ko. Because we are go to open sea and we ride the boat. So, the weather today is good and the wind is not so hot, but it's sunny, and I'm waiting my madam. So I don't know what time to go at the open sea. It's around 3:50 p.m. now, so we are waiting.
The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Sunday of 13 July, and I am here at the back, and I'm waiting Zane because Zane is swim with his friend, classmates, with his cousins Fairuz, and my madam also is go to open sea with the boat with her sister. So I am here with Mikey. I'm just staying here guys, so I'm not feel bored there inside because mama later also is coming here, so maybe it's a little busy. So now I feel chill now. And yeah, the weather here guys is so good, it's so nice. It's not like in Cairo now, it's so hot. The weather is there is so hot now. The wind is a little warm.
A few moments later.
Picture daw tayo. Outdoor.
Video yan.
Video pala.
Dilihin. Ayos video.
Welcome to my guys. Welcome to my guys.
Ganda mo ah. Hi guys! Nandito kami guys sa El Alamein. New mall here in El Alamein. It's near the villa. Of course, we are go with all girls and my madam guys. With Hazel, Angel, Leia, Khalid. Yung driver namin. Si Amy.
Si Ayu gusto na mo sa akin. Baguhin niya yung lahat. Banda mo na doon. Nakampon. Okay na? Panalo ka! Panalo ka sa Toy! Wala, parang how to win? Where's the ball? Ayun yung ball.
Guys, pauwi na kami. Kasi tapos na yung amo namin. 12:27 na ng AM.
Oh my God.
Hello guys! For today's video, welcome back to my channel. Hello guys! For today's video, ay lahat ng girls, all girls is gonna swim today because we are free. We don't have na problema yung driver namin guys kasi nga yung aso namin yung aso namin ay like fine.